Welcome to MathQuens channel. Today we are going to see 20th question of part A of CBSE class 10th max sample paper. 20th question is, a stopwatch was used to find the time that it took a group of students to run 100 meter. So here table is given. In the table, time versus number of students is given. Okay. Then the first A subpart question is, estimate the mean time taken by a student to finish the race. So we need to find out the mean time taken by a student to finish the race. For this, so to answer this question, we need to tabulate. Okay, mean formula is nothing but sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So here time is given and number of students is given in the question. We need to find out these two table. Okay, so you keep this given table as fi. Okay, frequency table, and this is class table, and class mark is xi. How to determine class mark? This is the midpoint of this interval. So what is the midpoint of 0 and 20 is 10. And the midpoint of 20 to 40 is 30. Midpoint of 40 to 60 is 50. And for 60 to 80 is 70. And 80 to 100 midpoint is 90. So this table we can easily construct. So fi xi we can take product of fi and xi. So 8 into 10 equal to 80. 10 into 30 is 300 and so on. So if you sum it up fi xi, then you will get sigma fi xi. Substitute sigma fi xi here 1720, and sigma fi we can sum the fi together, you will get 40. So substitute 40, and after simplifying you will get 43. So option 3 is the correct answer, because in the question, okay, in the question, in the option 3 is given as 43. So option 3 is the correct option for this question. Next, what will be the upper limit of the modal class? So we need to know what is modal class. Modal class is the class with the maximum frequency. In the problem, frequency is the number of students. So modal class is the class with the maximum number of students. In the table, if you analyze in the table, okay, here a maximum number of students is 13. Okay, the corresponding class is the modal class. So 40 to 60 is the modal class. In the question it is given, it is asked, what is the lower limit of the modal class? So lower limit of the modal class is 40. So 40 is the answer. Modal class, lower limit of the modal class is 40. So 40 is the correct answer for this question. Next, we will see 20th question, C subpart. The construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the 4 options are given: mean, median, mode, all of the above. So the construction of a cumulative frequency table is useful in determining the median. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. So always cumulative frequency table is useful in determining median. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 20th question, D subpart. The sum of the lower limit of the median class and the modal classes. So median class is the middle class, which is 40 to 60. Modal class is also 40 to 60. We have already seen in the second question, the second subpart. So what is the lower limit of the median class is 40, Lower limit of the model class is 40. So sum is 80. So option 3 is 80. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Next, 20th question is apart. How many students finished the race within 1 minute? So within 1 minute means within 60 seconds. So in the problem it is given that, so within 60 seconds 8 plus 10 plus 13 students completed the race. Therefore within 60 seconds or within 1 minute 8 plus 10 plus 13, that is 31 students completed the race. So option 3 is the correct answer for this question.